What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Future Rev, your home for the deepest dives into the most groundbreaking cars on the planet. If you're into next-level automotive tech, elite performance, and honest expert breakdowns, you're exactly where you need to be. Now let's get into it, because this one is pure American legend reborn. What if I told you that Ford just resurrected the most legendary name in Mustang history and made it more powerful, more aggressive, and more technologically advanced than anything the original ever dreamed of being? No, seriously. Every muscle car and performance car manufacturer on the planet just stopped and took notice. Because the 2027 Ford Mustang Boss 429 just made its return, and it came back with a fury that nobody in the automotive world was prepared for. The most iconic Mustang name ever is back, and it is absolutely ready to destroy everything in its path. Ford has officially pulled the cover off the 2027 Mustang Boss 429. And this is not just another Mustang. This is a completely reimagined tribute to one of the greatest performance cars in American automotive history, rebuilt with modern engineering, cutting-edge technology, and raw power that makes the original look like a warm-up act. This is the Boss 429 reborn for a new generation that demands everything. First, the exterior, and Ford absolutely knocked it out of the park with this design. The 2027 Mustang Boss 429 wears an aggressively redesigned wide-body shell with a dramatically lowered stance, a sculpted aluminum hood with a functional cold air intake, sharp angular LED headlights, and a bold front splitter that means serious business. Unique Boss 429 badging, a ducktail rear spoiler, wide rear haunches, and quad exhaust tips finish the look with authority and purpose. This car looks like it was born on a racetrack and bred for the street. Now the performance, and this is where Ford pulled absolutely no punches whatsoever. Under the hood sits a hand-built supercharged 5.0L Coyote V8 engine producing a thunderous 760 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque. We are talking 0 to 60 in just 3.0 seconds flat with a top speed pushing 205 miles per hour. A 6-speed manual transmission is available for purists who want the full raw analog experience, while a quick-shifting 8-speed automatic handles the serious performance driving. MagneRide adaptive suspension, launch control, line lock, and an active valve performance exhaust that sounds absolutely savage on every pull complete the performance package. This is not just a muscle car. This is a statement. On the technology front, the 2027 Boss 429 introduces Ford's brand new Boss Track Performance Intelligence System, a driver-focused technology suite featuring real-time performance data, adaptive drive modes, launch control optimization, and a configurable digital cockpit. The new 13.2-inch curved touchscreen, full-color heads-up display with performance metrics, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and over-the-air update capability keep this iconic machine completely connected and current at all times. Step inside the cockpit, and everything screams performance heritage with modern luxury. Recaro sport bucket seats with heating and ventilation, Alcantara headliner, carbon fiber interior accents, a flat-bottom Boss 429 logo steering wheel, and a premium B&O sound system with 10 speakers create an interior that honors the past while living firmly in the future. This cockpit makes you feel like a racing driver the moment you close the door. Stack it against the Chevrolet Camaro ZL1, Dodge Challenger SRT, and BMW M4 competition, and the 2027 Boss 429 dominates with pure American pride and performance credibility. The Camaro ZL1 is a serious rival, but the Boss 429 answers with superior heritage, more power, and a more emotionally engaging driving experience overall. The BMW M4 wins on European precision, but the Boss 429 absolutely crushes it on raw character, sound, and pure driving excitement. The Dodge Challenger brings old-school muscle, but the Boss 429 is simply in a different league of modern performance. Starting price lands around $72,000, with fully optioned Boss 429 Premium builds pushing past $98,000. Fuel efficiency sits at approximately 14 mpg city and 21 mpg highway on the V8. Annual maintenance runs approximately $100 to $1,600, making it one of the most rewarding and accessible high-performance American machines available at this power level. Long-term, the Boss 429 nameplate carries serious collector value and resale strength that makes this car a genuine performance investment. The 2027 Ford Mustang Boss 429 is not just a car, it is a living piece of American performance history rebuilt for the modern world. Drop a comment below. What feature blew your mind the most? Would you choose the Boss 429 over a Camaro ZL1 or BMW M4? Let us know what you think. And if you want more breakdowns like this, make sure to subscribe to Future Rev and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on everything you need to know about next-gen vehicles. See you in the next one.